been thinking or sitting on the fence on if you should start your own YouTube channel or if you should create your own YouTube channel, then I hope this video gives you the clarity that you need. Hi, if you're just seeing me for the first time, my name is Amaka Ezabi-Kwa, and a little backstory. I started creating content in 2020, and one of my regrets is that I didn't start a YouTube channel. Yeah, I started with social media, Instagram and Facebook precisely. Truth is, if I know now what I knew then, or how do I say it? I'm sorry. If I knew then what I know now, I would definitely have started with YouTube. And I'm going to share the reasons with you in this video. And I just really hope that this video convinces you and just helps you make that decision to start. So first of all, the best time to start anything at all, is the time that you have, which is now. YouTube is a platform that keeps evolving. So by starting now, you give yourself time to, find your feet, find your balance, know what you want to do, and just start growing your audience or your online community. The thing, one fear people have, a lot of people have, is that, and I also have that too, is that who will watch my video? Like, keep putting out content, no one is watching. There's a video I watched today that made a lot of sense to me, and I'm just going to share one thing I took away from that video here. And she said, there's nothing wrong, like, it's okay if you post a video and no one watches it, especially if you're a beginner content creator. In fact, you should even be thankful that no one is watching your video, because that way you're not under any pressure to like do something extraordinary. That way you're able to like pace yourself and just keep learning and growing with every video you put out. And that makes a lot of sense. That just puts you under less pressure. So just start. Even if no one watches your content, it's okay. Even the biggest YouTubers that you see with a million, 10 million subscribers, having views, they started with zero. So it is okay. It is totally fine for that to happen to you. It's okay. The goal is to start and make sure you keep moving. As long as you're not one place, you're going to be successful. Another reason is YouTube has a massive growing audience. In fact, over 2 billion people come to this platform daily. YouTube is like a search engine, or it's a search engine, in fact. So the audience is massive. This just means that you have an audience here waiting for you. Like, they're literally waiting for you, they're literally searching for you. And how will they find you if you don't show up? So the earlier you start, the easier it is for you to like tap into this huge, massive audience and build your own community. Another thing is, okay, I know that starting a YouTube channel is scary. Like, it scares everyone, even myself. But it is also an amazing opportunity for growth, for personal growth especially. Talking to the camera and just putting yourself out there will help you build your confidence. Take it from a shy introvert to so starting your own YouTube channel and just putting out videos will help you overcome your fear and that shyness. And in the long run, this will definitely benefit you in every other area of your life. Another point is one of the best things about YouTube, one of the things I love the most about YouTube is that it gives you the opportunity to build a loyal online community. Yes, so the earlier you start, the more time you have to build this community, to build this audience and connect with them. YouTube is a platform of creativity and self-expression. Starting your channel gives you the opportunity to experiment, to try out different things, try out different niches until you're able to find your unique voice and stick to it. And Another thing is consistency is one of the master keys to being successful on YouTube. Having a YouTube channel or starting a YouTube channel will push you to be consistent. As long as you want to be successful and you want growth, it will push you to be it will push you to be consistent. And that way you can achieve huge milestones like hitting your 1K subscribers, hitting your 4K watch hours, um, being monetized, earning from AdSense and other things. You can only do that if you practice consistency. And one good thing about this is if you are consistent with YouTube, it will boost every other area of your life. It will help you be consistent in other areas of your life, because if you're consistent here and you see results, it would definitely encourage you to be consistent in other things and also see results or also be successful in them. There's a video I watched and something they said struck me, that YouTube is a way of life. To be successful in YouTube, you have to take it, like you have to be serious with it. You have to show up consistently. You have to have grit and persistence and that growth mindset. And this is a very positive thing and something that will help you in every other area of your life. Another point is that YouTube is an amazing platform to build your personal brand. So, by being consistent and putting out content consistently, you can build your personal brand and build thought leadership in the niche or the niches that you choose to create content about. And this can open up different amazing opportunities for you, like brand sponsorships, partnerships, and the likes. And finally, creating a YouTube channel is not a sprint, it's a journey. It's a long time investment. It is something that will pay you and keep paying you even in the future. One of the things that I love about YouTube is that the videos that you put out or the content that you put out is not like social media where each content has like a time where it's gaining traction and it just dies off like that. I think after a few hours, 24 or 48 hours. The thing about YouTube is that even your first video can go viral after years. Like people may find that video really amazing and it could just blow up your channel. Like it just takes one video to blow up your channel and your videos are there, your videos will remain relevant long term. So YouTube is a long term investment. It's something that you do with your future in mind. It's something that you come into knowing that this is something that you want to do long term. So I hope this video has given you the clarity that you need to start your YouTube channel. Please don't make the same mistakes I did and just go for it. If this video has touched you in any way, please let me know in the comment section and I will be more than happy to be your first subscriber. Yes. Also, please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful so that YouTube can recommend it to even more people. Thank you for watching, and if you want to start your YouTube channel or you want to start creating content, in this video here I walk you through step by step on how to create your YouTube channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.